Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to save phone number on Facebook. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Facebook application. Once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your desired Facebook account and then go to the three lines icon. Go to settings and privacy. There comes the layout or drop down box. Head over to settings. Go to Meta Account Center. Then go to your account, or you can also go to personal details. As you can see, there is no phone number option right here. We can't necessarily see the specific phone number with which we have opened our Facebook account because Facebook has changed this update recently. This is the change we needed to mention, and hope this information will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.